This tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to configure the local repository and the central repository workspace. So this is Eclipse, and I'll go here in Windows, Show View, and Others, Get, then Get Repository. Okay, so I have the Git repository view here. And then I have the option add an existing local repository to this view, clone a Git repository, and create a new. Obviously I want to create a new local repository, and I will name it get learn egit. Okay, so here's my local repository, and I want to share my code to the local repository so that all the commits and operations that I perform here are first go here and tracked here. So I wanna share my project, click on team, share project, and then just select local repository, whatever you have, and finish. And then your workspace is connected to your local repository. So here you see workspace and learning it. So all your files changes will gonna tracked. When you commit, all those things will be committed in this local repository. So if you see, there is a local repository created in get learn egit. See here, yeah. And now let's say I wanna commit my code to the local repository. I go to team and commit, and I'm gonna show you later what this stash means as this just get along. Commit this code and this commit. So now my code is committed to my local repository. Now I want to share this code to my central repository, the GitHub. And what I'll do is, here you see there is a remote. Right click on it, create remote, and then okay, let's just take a default option, configure push. Yes, of course we want to configure push origin, and just change. So you will see your repo name over here already that we have copied. So this is our GitHub repository, get learn egit, and this is the URL of the repository. I just copied it and it is pasted here automatically. This is my username and password to the GitHub. This is, and finish. And now just one thing, we have to add reference mapping, and then just advanced master branch to the reference master. That's correct, that's it. And add a specification, save a specific, not just configuration, finish, and then save. And now if you see, the remote is configured in my remote folder, and you see here this green arrow represent the fetch operation, and this red arrow represents the push operation. So I want to push my code to the central repository. We'll right click on this and then say push, and then it gonna ask me my username and password, and